Hi students, welcome to physics class. In this class I am going to explain about lesson sound. In this concept, how to how to construct soundproof box or soundproof room or soundproof auditorium or soundproof hall. How to build? Yeah, what is the meaning of soundproof? Sound will not allow from out to in or in to out, and also sound will not allow for reflection. Reflection of sound cause for disturbance in the sound. We cannot hear clearly. So the room should be constructed with the soundproofing. Then how to construct a soundproof room? Here take some measures when you are constructing a room or hall or auditorium. Take some measures. What are the important things can be taken when you are constructing? First one, the wall should be covered with wooden material or thick curtains. Wooden materials. We can decorate the walls with wooden materials, wooden frames. Why? If it is only wall, it is hard surface. Due to this, reflection is possible. To avoid the reflection of sound, you must cover the walls with soft material like wooden or thick curtains. Then they will absorb the sound, will not reflect. That is first one. Second one, the floor must be enclosed with thick carpets. The floor should be enclosed with thick carpets, soft and thick carpets. Then reflection is not possible through hard floor. Floor is made with cement or marbles or tiles. So reflection is possible without any covering, without any enclosures. Reflection is possible and disturbance to the sound. So because to avoid the reflection, floor should be enclosed with carpets, thick soft carpets. Then they will absorb the sound, will not reflect. Another one, third one, roof of the room should be made with plaster Paris or thermocol sheets or any soft material, fiber materials. Plaster Paris covered with roof should be covered with plaster Paris or thermocol sheets or any soft thick materials like fiber. Then reflection is not possible. And last one, don't take any electrical instruments like fan or coolers or ACs inside the hall or inside the room, inside the auditorium. Why? Those are made with metallic frames, metallic bodies. Metals are easily cause for reflection of sound. Sound will reflect when hit on the metallic surface because they are hard surfaces. So it may create noise in the hall. So reflection is cause for disturbance in the original sound. So to avoid that, better avoid these electric equipments like fan, AC, coolers inside the room. Don't take them inside the room. Keep them outside. Or in case if you want to arrange the ACs, you have to make wooden frames and insert that ACs inside the wooden frames. To make AC hall, make the hall wooden frame and inside that wooden frame you place this ACs. Such a way take arrangements to avoid the noise in the hall or room. By that we can construct soundproof rooms or soundproof box. With this we can listen clearly what is the original sound. Thank you.